Friends, hope so that you will be fine. I'm also fine with the grace of God. Friends, many days have been spent that I haven't made any video. The video today I am making is how to make a fire snake. This is a very amazing video, and thus our science experiment is going to be very amazing. I'm telling you, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. And if you have enjoyed the video, then press the like button, comment and share this with your friends. Let's begin our experiment, friends. I have told you, if you haven't subscribed my channel, then press the bell icon. All do we know, friends, for this experiment is approximately 40 grams of sugar, which is in powdered form, and 1 tablespoon is approximately equal to 10 grams. You have to need an amount of baking soda, 1 tablespoon.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
big snake. Friends, sorry for this, but you can do it. I have taken approximately 7 or 8 grams of baking soda, but the necessary amount was 10 to 11 grams.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love